Hello po, brothers and sisters. If you have a Bible, ay buksan po natin ito sa Acts or Gawa chapter 9 verse 36. Acts chapter 9 verse 36 po. Sabi po diyan, "Now there was at Joppa a certain disciple named Tabitha, which by interpretation is called Dorcas. This woman was full of good works and alms deeds, which she did." So, ito po ay si Tabitha. Siya po ay isang alagad ng ating Panginoon. Kung ating basahin po ito sa Tagalog, ating basahin po. Ngayon, may isang alagad sa Joppa na nagngangalang Tabitha, na ang kahulugan ay Dorcas. Ang babaeng ito ay puspos ng mabuting gawa at ang pagkakawang gawa sa kanya ay ginagawa. So, ito po mga kaibigan ko, my dear brothers and sisters in Christ, believers in Christ, mayroon po ditong tatlong lessons kung paano po tayo mamuhay, live life of significance. Kung ating titingnan po, di ba, nagnanais tayo na to make a difference. At nagnanais tayo na tayo po ay gumawa at gayahin po natin ang buhay ni Tabitha bilang alagad na ating Panginoon. Kaya dito po, kung ating titingnan po ang kanyang buhay, ay mayroon po tayo na tatlong lessons na makukuha po natin sa kanya. Una po dito ay start following Jesus Christ. Kung ating basahin po yung Acts chapter 9 verse 36, tells us that in Joppa there was a disciple named Dorcas. Kung ating pag-aralan po yung name na Dorcas, ito po yung Greek name niya ay Greek name is Dorcas. In Aramaic is Tabitha. When we talk about Dorcas, Dorcas was a believer of Jesus Christ and also follower of Jesus Christ. So, ang tunay na kalagahan ay come first at all from having relationship with the living God and being His child also. So, ito po, how can we live na may kahalagahan ang ating buhay? So, when we talk about halaga, diba, is very important. The value. So, how can we live in Christ na may value? So, ito po ay napakalaga yung ating relationship personally sa ating Panginoon. And then yung pangalawa ay napakalaga na we engage in God's work also. Kung ating titignan also, balik tayo sa buhay ni Tabitha, because siya po ay believers, follower ng ating Panginoon. Siya po ay aktibo na nakikipag-involve sa gawain ng ating Panginoon. Sa ating church, most especially sa outreach program ng ating church, we involve. Kasi kung ating titingnan, Dorcas, di ba? Ito po ay kasama sa ministry ng ating church, yung ECS, Dorcas Ministry, ay we share or we meet the needs of the community. Mga kapatid, most especially kung mayroon pong nangangailangan na tulong sa community, ay yung ating Dorcas Ministry, yung ECS natin, ay talagang sila po ay inaabot ang tulong kung ano po mayroong available na personal na naisibahagi na tulong sa community. Kaya as a believers, followers ng ating Panginoon, ay nagkakaisa upang ibahagi ang tulong natin sa community. So that Acts 9:36 tells us that Dorcas was always doing good and helping the poor. Once you start following Jesus, something happens on the inside you, and you became different person. A change of heart occurs. You begin a heart of compassion to keep others, and you also follow a steps of Jesus, went about doing good. And then number 3 po dito, napakalaga ang value of faithfulness. Dorcas did not help one person. She made it a lifestyle, and she was always doing good and helping the poor, mga kapatid. Kaya ito po ay, kung ating titingnan po as a believers of Jesus Christ, mayroon po ditong 3 points dito na ating nakukuha sa ating lesson. Yung una ay how can we live na mayroong value yung ating buhay as a believers of Jesus Christ. Start by following Jesus and engage also in His works, doing good works wherever you are. And then ating i-value yung ating value, yung ating pananampalataya, yung ating katapatan sa ating Panginoon. And don't just live your life, make a difference, make a difference, my dear brothers and sisters, na ikaw ay mamuhay na kakaiba at makita sa buhay mo yung buhay na mayroon yung ating Panginoon. So, God bless po sa ating lahat.